Hey guys, it's Robert from Tall Guys RC on YouTube. I thought I would share a picture from the past with you guys to show how long I've been doing this RC kind of stuff. So the truck you see in the video here, this is the Red Cat Scout 2. I've had this truck for about 2 years. So I was going through a photo album, and I want you to see the date on this photo album first. Way back in May of 1990, I took a picture. Here's the picture. This is a Tamiya Monster Beetle. This was one of the very first RC trucks I ever owned. I was only, I think, like 27 or 28 when these came out, so like 32 years ago. And it's crazy. Tamiya, a couple years ago, they started doing these kits again, so you can actually buy these kits from a local hobby store. I think I saw one of these at the local Hobbytown by my house, so I know you can order these. Horizon Hobby actually has these again on their website, so you can actually buy these kits in 2022. So I thought I would share a picture from the past with everybody. Again, photo from back in May of 1990 of my Tamiya Monster Beetle, and how far technology has come. So this is what was available 32 years ago, and this is what's available today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. More videos like this from Blast in the Past. I recently found a bunch of my old photo albums, so I'll share with you guys some stuff that I was doing like 32 years ago in RC, and now you see what I'm doing on the current RC. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will post more videos like this coming soon. Thanks guys, have a great day.